Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultant. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about the quarter 2 results of the companies which are going to provide today on 20th of October 2022. So friends, do watch the video till the end so that you do not miss any of the information regarding the important shares. So friends, let's come to the screen. Today on 20th of October, the companies which are going to provide its result will be, let me note it down over here. As you can see, Aarti Drugs, Aavas, Aarti Drugs which is dealing in pharma, and Aavas which is dealing in financial matters. Then Asian Paint, this is also going to provide its result on 20th of October. You can see Axis Bank is also there, then Canara Bank is also there, Clean Energy, Coforge, Colpal, all these companies are going to provide its result today. So do focus on this share. Then in the next screen we will see that Dixon company which is dealing in technology, so it's also going to give its result today. Then after that, if we move to Happiest Mind, it is also an IT company, very good company, which is also going to provide its results today. Then IEX is there, India Mart is also there. The result of India Mart in the last quarter was not so good, so we hope that it comes up with good Q2 results. IT is also going to provide its result today. Then KEI is there and L&T is also there. So we have to watch the results today. What are their outcomes, what are their profits, what are their revenues, and act accordingly. One more thing I want to tell you, that while watching the revenue, do not forget to watch its EBITDA points also. So that is also very important, and do watch the results QOQ, quarter and quarter, and year on year, both ways. That also keeps an impact on the price of the company. So next we come that Lakshmi Machinery is also going to provide its results today. Then Mastech IT company, Manop Bearing, dealing in bearings and all, Emphasis IT company, Nazara Technologies which is dealing in sports and all, it is also going to give its results today. Nelco, you can see. Then Southern Bank is also going to provide its result. Tamboli and Symphony is also going to provide its results. Friends, you can, if you don't want to write it down, you can take the screenshot and keep it with you, and do focus on these shares. Then if we come next, then the shares are Nelco, already I have told you. Then Southern Bank I have told you. Tanla is also dealing in IT technology, clouds and all. So do focus the price, the results of its company on today. Then in banking sector, Union Bank, Canara Bank is also will be providing its result today only. And one more, the last one is Gensar Tech. Gensar Tech is also will be providing its result today only. So friends, do focus on these companies, as these will be providing its result today. And one more thing, I am providing all these videos for the educational purposes only, and if anybody incurs any profit or loss will be yours only, and I am not in any way will be involved in it. So friends, if you like the video, do share and subscribe it. So see you again with another very useful information. Thank you and goodbye.